We are going to look at subtraction strategies today. Again, you need to be able to choose a strategy that is accurate and efficient. Be flexible. Choose a strategy that best fits the problem. So our first strategy is to add up to subtract on the number line. So when we add up, we're going to start with that small number. We're going to count up to the large number to find the difference. So we draw our number line and we start with 37. So we want to count up. We want to count up by an easy number. So I'm going to count up 3 more. By counting up 3 more, that takes me to 40. Now it's going to be a much easier way to count up. So I want to go from 40 all the way up to 100. So I know I need 60 more to get to 100. Once I'm at 100, I know I only have to go 90 more. So I'll take a leap of 90, which takes me to 190. So I counted up to 190, starting at 37 to 190, but that's not my answer. I need to find the difference. So I need to find out how many hops it took for me to get from 37 to 190. I need to add up those hops. I'm going to add 60 plus 90. These two numbers, it's a little bit easier to add those first, and that equals 150. I have one more number to add, so 150 plus 3 equals 153. It took me 153 hops to get to 190. So that means my answer is 153. The second strategy is draw a picture. So we're going to take the same subtraction problem and we're going to draw the hundreds, tens, and ones. So we're going to draw 100, 9 tens, and there's 0 ones. So we need to start looking here at our ones place. If there are 0 ones, we cannot take away 7 of them. So what are we going to do? Well, we're going to have to borrow some. We're going to go to the tens place. We're going to have to break this apart into 10 ones. I still have 190. I just took this, broke it apart, but my hundreds, tens, and ones are going to look different. So watch how I change this problem. Instead of 9 tens, I only have 8 tens. And instead of 0 ones, I now have 10 ones. Now I can subtract those ones. So I'm going to subtract 7. After I take away 7, I can see there's 3 ones left. I'm going to move into my tens place. I have 8 tens. I need to take away 3 tens. Once I take those 3 tens away, I can see how many are left. 5. Now I'm going to move into my hundreds place. I have 100, but I don't have anything to take away. So that means there's still 100. That makes my answer 153. Here's a third strategy. Subtract from the front end. Same problem, but I'm going to start with 190, and I'm going to subtract just the 30 from 37. So if I count back 3 tens, that's 160. Now I have to count back the rest of 37, which is my 7 ones. So I'm going to start where I stopped at 160, subtract 7, and that's going to equal 153. That is my answer. All right, so there are 3 subtraction strategies. Add up to subtract on the number line, draw a picture, and subtract from the front end. Which strategy is best for